Lot number 37220. We have a 2015 Ford E350. The vehicle is currently running and started up with a jump. You can come out to inspect this vehicle with a phone call to our Adams Place location. This is a Transit 350 with a phone call, like I was saying, to set up an appointment 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. before the auction closes. The locks work. I just locked the doors. That's why I was unable to get into the back. 81,332 miles. AC blows cold in this unit. True mechanical conditions are unknown. This was a Metropolitan Police vehicle. Retired Metropolitan Police vehicle. Vehicle started up with the jump. Not sure why the window, okay, there it is, the window does. Both of the windows roll up and down. The radio is not coming on. It's missing the passenger front seat. The seat will not come with this vehicle. Vehicle moves in forward. And the vehicle moves in reverse. True mechanical conditions are unknown. Like I said, please call the seller's location if you want to come by to inspect.